That's all. Thank you.
Go, go,
So
go.
for the past event, ako na namin naging event sa Silent Sanctuary na ginanap sa Okada, Manila. Next is ang Bini, which is Universe World Tour from 2000. This year, from February, sa Araneta Coliseum. Next, the third one is Ben and Ben, yung kanilang The Travel Across Dimension sa Cebu noong May 2025. The fourth one is yung kay Moira de la Torre, yung kanyang Moira Dive World Tour at Smart Araneta Coliseum noong February 2023. And lastly, yung sa SB19, yung kanilang Simula at Wakas World Tour sa Philippine Arena noong May 2025.
Managing team, our event organizer, Pilapi, event coordinator, me, finance manager, Angela Casita, and marketing manager, Clara Marie, operation manager, Baduria, production manager, Gonzales, talent manager, Saria. Our organizational chart, so as you can see guys, this is our organizational chart, which is from higher to lowest. Our proposal letter, September 10, 2025, Cedric Salvador. Good day, we would like to make a proposal for your upcoming event, Multipla Spectacular Band Concert by Cup of Joe, scheduled for March 20, 2026 at Araneta Coliseum. Our team will handle event coordination, technical setup, marketing, and logistics to ensure a successful and memorable experience. We look forward to collaborating you to bring this event to life. Thank you once again for your ongoing trust in our services. We look forward to the possibility of sharing this delightful experience with you. Our proposal title, Multipla Spectacular Band Concert by Cup of Joe at Araneta Coliseum, name of the sponsor, Cedric Salvador. Proposed date of the event, September 10, 2025. Event outline, name of the event, Multipla Cup of Joe. Event in band concert, estimated duration time of the event, 6 hours. Venue at Araneta Coliseum.
Event summary, what? Band concert, an event where you get to see your favorite band, idol in person, and enjoy hearing your favorite song. Where I went, na gaganapin siya sa March 20 next year, 2026, where Araneta Coliseum, Cubao, Quezon City, Metro Manila, na 9 p.m. Who Cup of Joe and fans? Why? To give opportunity to be the lead singer of their favorite band, experience the hit song of Cup of Joe perform live. How? We handle the band's live concert by coordinating logistics, scheduling and technique aspects such as sound and lighting to ensure a smooth performance. Additionally, we manage the band's interaction with the audience, crew, and other stakeholders to ensure a memorable and enjoyable experience.
So this is our poster or banners, which is the Cup of Joe. And this is the flyers and inviting ticket. So this is our floor plan in Smart Araneta Coliseum, and this is our stage, and this is our VIP, the red one, and this patron A, the green one, and this is the patron B, the violet one. This is yellow. This yellow is lower seat, and this pink is upper seat. So this is our exit, the red gate, and this green gate is fire exit, and the south gate is entrance, and the general admission is our entrance. So this is our venue looks like inside and outside.
So proposed option, main course. So as you can see, we have the main course for food and for the staffs and artists. Next, appetizer. As you can see, this is our appetizer.
Date na gaganapin sa March 20, 2026 sa Araneta Coliseum, Cubao, Quezon City, Metro Manila, na meron duration na 6 hours, na mag-start siya ng 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. ang open gate, 10 p.m. to 10:30 ang pre-show entertainment, 10:30 to 11 naman ang opening remarks, while the 11 to 11:30 ang opening activity 1, 11:30 to 11:50 ang intermission number, 11:50 to 12:40 p.m. ang headliner artist, which is doon na magpa-perform yung Cup of Joe. 12:40 p.m. to 1 a.m. ang short break. 1 a.m. to 2:45 a.m. ang encore performance. And 2:45 a.m. to 3 a.m. ang closing remarks.
So the budget outline. So the venue 300,000, lights sound 60,000, food and drinks 17,500, poster banner period 250,000, stage decoration 70,000, miscellaneous 50,000, additional 50,000. So the subtotal is 797,500 pesos. Service charge 12%, 79,750. Tax 12%, 95,700 pesos. Contingency 159,500 pesos. So the total is 334,950 pesos.
So for our quotation, we have the venue rental, which is the Araneta Coliseum, and their contact details here. So bill to Angela Calcita, client's name, Saina Harake, and our client's address is Pasig City. So our description is venue rental of exclusive use accommodation, stage setup, professional sound, lighting system, and air conditioning. So ang quantity po niya is 4 and nagko-cost po siya each quantity ng 75,000. So the total cost po niya lahat is 300,000 po. So for our terms and conditions, a 50% down payment is needed once the booking is confirmed, and the remaining balance should be paid 3 days before the event. Please note that the cancellation made less than a week before the event will have a 20% charge. Next. So for our next quotation naman po, we have the Biz Catering. So Biz Catering Services, their contact details, bill to Angela Calcita, client's name BJ Goles, client's address San Isidro City. So our description, meron po silang ino-offer na dalawang package. So number 1 is Festival Feast Package, under po siya ng food category, na meron tayong 50 quantity na nagpo-cost po ng 300 pesos each. So ang total niya po is 15,000. So next package naman po na ino-offer nila, meron po silang hydration station under drinks category na meron 50 quantity na nagpo-cost ng 50 pesos each quantity, and ang total niya po is 2,500. So the overall total is 17,500. Terms and conditions, a 50% down payment is needed once the booking is confirmed, and the remaining balance should be paid 3 days before the event. Please note that the cancellation made less than a week before the event will have a 20% charge.
So our memorandum of agreement between Noise Lab and Viva Records. Purpose, the memorandum of agreement was set for the terms and understanding between Noise Lab and Viva Records for a concert event to be held at Araneta Coliseum on March 20, 2026. Responsibilities, Noise Lab. Provide financial and sponsorship sponsorship support as outlined in the attached budget or in the schedule. Assist in marketing, promoting, and publicizing the concert event through channels.